how to make the most delicious, creamy, rich plantain porridge. So now the plantain is peeled. We need to take the skin off. We're going to cut the plantain porridge. Plantain look like when it's Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of salt. And we are going to stir all these in. So remember, if it's too thick, you can add some more water, because this is going to get a little thick. It's going to come together. So don't leave it like that. You're going to keep stirring and stirring until it comes together. Give it a few minutes. As you can see, everything is coming together. You see how thick this gets? So what we're going to do is to lower the heat a little bit. We're going to cover and let it cook. All right. See, it's beautiful, creamy. So after 20 minutes, we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, oh, we're going to give this a stir. Here guys, creamy, nice, delicious. You see that? This is our plantain porridge. Oh, we're gonna give our porridge 10 more minutes, and then we add our carnation milk and our sweet milk. So in another 10 minutes, guys, everything will be ready. So here we go, guys. This is our nice, creamy, delicious bowl of green plantain porridge. Beautiful. Here we go. Bon appetit.